What it's called, Lala? Mukbang?
Mukbang?
Oh, you know what it's called. Because you know he know. Little Fortniter over here, YouTuber of the century.
I like this one. I like it.
Is it good or what?
Yeah.
Girl with these gloves on. She got these fucking gloves on. Let me show y'all. She got these gloves on. She is not a real seafood eater. Who eats fucking seafood with gloves? She gonna disappoint all the Crips at the Louisiana seafood bowl, my nigga. She gonna break out the gloves and shit like, yeah, where are the gloves at? Didn't they have gloves to eat the crawfish? No, we don't. Y'all see them oysters? Okay. Them scrimps and stuff. Eggs and corn. Okay. Shrimp fried rice or whatever. Okay. My little baby over here got him chickens. From Whataburger. Y'all know nothing about Whataburger, nigga. Whataburger got Dr. Pepper shakes and shit, okay? It's spilled right there, boom. He love that shit, huh? That shit bomb, huh, baby? Bomb.
I'm trying to do the fried chicken on the rice.
The fried chicken on the rice?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like a,
What? The head? What, you sucked it out, stuff out?
you're gonna do a mukbang.
Y'all know I love my oysters.
We're gonna
We
do
about to put the lemons on the oysters, okay, y'all? Waiting on her to put the tartar sauce.
I do a mukbang.
No, put it down.
Ah, shit. That's how you feel about us? That's how you feel about us cleaning up? That's how you feel? That's right. You don't care about nothing? Okay.
Why you got an attitude?
Okay. Who did it? You don't want no more? Okay. You don't gotta eat no more. We ain't gonna fight you to eat it. Say he don't want no more. He crossed his eye. He say he's tired. He ain't playing with y'all. Stop testing the crib.
You're gonna do a mukbang, aren't you?
What is a mukbang? Okay. Who watching? Hey, Black. How you doing, baby? Hi, Michael.
Say hi to.
Y'all want some oysters? Okay. Y'all know my Black. You don't know nothing about these raw oysters, though, Black. What you know about the raw oysters, though? You sleep. They aphrodisiac. That's what they say. Hi, Mark.
So,
How y'all doing? Mark, you eat oysters? I eat oysters.
I bet he doesn't.
I eat all the oysters, honey.
Mama,
What?
how much you got?
These oysters is bomb.
Sit down.
You gotta put a little lemon on your oysters.
Why you ain't eat your food?
You gotta put some hot sauce. You gotta put some tartar sauce.
You don't eat it, don't you?
Some horseradish. And you suck them things on out the doggone shell, okay? Oh, you need some little tapatio or some red rooster. Yes, Pop. What? You made a mess? Okay, don't worry about it. I'll clean it up, Papa. Okay? Anything for you. It's okay. It's all right you made a mess. That's what babies do. They make messes. Okay? It's okay.
No, mine. It's mine.
He said he want one. You want one? Is that what you said, Papa? You want a shrimp?
Yeah.
Huh? Albert? Look. Look, you want shrimp?
It's delicious.
No, you want to clean up your mess? You made a mess? It's okay.
Can I get some in the corner there?
Can you get one love?
Hey, honey. How you
You
doing?
got your mama. That ain't
What? Go ahead. I don't care.
It's not blue.
Hi, honey. Girl, be over here eating oysters, okay? And,
She really
Scraps.
making them up.
huh?
So you really making them up.
Yeah, you gotta make them up. You about to eat one of these things. She's talking about she don't eat oysters, y'all. I'm like, what's that? Oh, that's the stuff of the sea? No, I don't want it. But she's gonna eat it today. Y'all don't even know what y'all be missing out on
Why you
these
always
oysters.
trying to make me eat some
Cuz.
chitlins?
I will. What's
Now,
wrong? And my chitlins is in the freezers. When I get home, I'm gonna unfreeze them things and eat them hoes. Okay. Y'all eat chitlins? What y'all know about the chitlins, though? Y'all sleep. That's all right. Y'all can stay asleep. Y'all can stay asleep.
How do you heat this up?
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to heat it up. You want me to show you how to heat it up, or you want to do it the stupid way?
What's the stupid way?
Put it in the microwave.
What's the smart way?
You can get you know how you get a pot?
Yeah.
You put some water in it. You set that bag in that water. And let it cook up like that. It's gonna cook it just, you know what I'm saying? You want one of these oysters? So look, y'all, this is how the oysters look. Okay. Y'all is
Did she
not,
make you eat one?
y'all is not ready. Oyster. Y'all ready?
You didn't know be automatically child abuse.
She said, automatic child abuse.
Yeah, forcing a kid to eat something that they don't want to eat, that's basically child abuse.
You and this loser. What's this?
He said that's child abuse, y'all. About forcing him to eat something he don't want to eat. Well, you know what? I guess my grandparents and shit used to be in jail. Go get them out the grave, because I was child abuse like a motherfucker. I ate all type of shit I don't want to eat, okay?
Did you just punch me in my knee? Yeah, what the fuck?
Cuz gonna be extra. He gonna be with the full-fledged puck still.
Why does everybody keep saying that? Don't wish
He
that
is.
on my life.
He is. You gonna be in trouble.
With that.
You gonna be in trouble, honey. Is you ready for this oyster or what?
Alright.
Here, I let you eat a little one.
That lemony is that smell lemony?
Eat it
It
what?
tastes like lemon cake or something with chicken.
You don't taste nothing. Just put it in your mouth. Chew it a little bit. Suck it out. Or you be sucking on pussy. Oh, y'all didn't see that. Hear that. You didn't eat it.
Mom,
My turn.
Mom,
Bro, it's gonna be nasty.
Mom, you're
I
gonna
already
get
know.
demonetized.
You want me to help you?
Mom.
Here, you want to do it together? One.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mom, since you said that, now you're gonna get demonetized for saying that. Mom.
You bet not. You bet not. You bet not. You bet not.
You better not, boy. You better not.
Eat it, anime. Eat it. Eat it. She spit it out. All you gotta do is swallow it.
I couldn't, it wouldn't go down. It kept coming back up.
Mama.
Shit,
You
but
put all that stuff on there.
no, it tastes good like that.
Mama. Excuse me, Mom.
I forget you eat chillings. I can't believe.
Let me just say something, Mom. You're gonna get demonetized for saying that.
Bomb. What? Who did it? Last one. Ooh.
Where your food? I'm gonna get some of your food.
Over there.
Alright, go get your food. I'll be able to take the corner out.
I'm not ready, y'all. Killed them. She over here playing some of my oyster. What's wrong with her?
I ate most of it.
Oh, she ate it. She didn't eat none. They don't be knowing. I be trying to clutch my pearls for these bitches, okay? Curse my pearls.
Wait. Oh, they do the one.
I'm not about to play with them. I'm not about to play.
Just a little bit.
I like, now that's the only part I do like about Arizona. They let us take our drink out. Okay, I don't know who Jack Henry is, but Jack Henry is trying to come in on my thing. Jack, just because you see me on live, that don't mean call me. Okay? That especially mean don't call me, because I don't even know you. Who are you? I'm talking on my doggone live. I mean my doggone Facebook Messenger. Let me make that a public service announcement too, since I'm on this thing. If I add you to my shit, don't call me. Don't call me. Don't call me. Once again, don't call me. Like, you want to have a whole conversation. That be want to know a nigga whole life story. Yeah, I'll catch you one day on this motherfucker. I don't want to tell you personally. If I don't hit you up personally, that means I don't want to talk on that level.
Mom.
What? Look here. I can help you peel your shrimp and my shrimp, okay? Where I'm going, Pop Up. He want me to peel his shrimp and my shrimp, y'all.
Because I love my shrimp.
Ow! Come on. Stop saying like that. Come on. Come on.
Shrimp. shrimp.
They good.
It's not good.
I wish you would have got me where it's a little bit more spicy, because
I
mine was
didn't
like
know.
spicy and sweet. I didn't know the flavors either,
Ah.
so it ain't none of our fault. But I know now. This one would be like spicy and like
So,
no sweet at all. You know? Get up here. Come on.
They got hot. I think at Inferno too. It's a big ass shrimp.
I know.
You know?
Yeah. I'm doing like my shrimp big. No.
It's a bomb. There you go.
Thank you. Why you doing why you're
Lala. What time is it?
Good morning, so.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mom,
Hmm.
how many subscribers do you have?
I'm on subscribe.
What?
I'm on live on Facebook.
How many do you have subscribers on YouTube?
I don't got none. Did she?
Mom.
Yo, I'm like mad tired. I don't know. I think it's that
Mama.
oyster.
What?
Huh?
What about it?
I'm tired as fuck.
The oyster makes you tired?
Yep.
Girl, if anything, it gets you horny.
I'm getting having side effects.
What's that? What?
Mom, if you get like 10 subscribers, like tiny tons, you earn money. You know, right?
Mm-hmm. You can monetize it.
Yeah. But if you get too greedy, well, yeah, you'll lose all your fans. So, become a YouTuber. No Facebookers.
No Facebook.
Yeah, because you've been on Facebook.
Facebook don't make no money.
Yeah.
Facebook
YouTube
with
does.
Facebook with the BS.
Yeah.
They be playing. They be playing, Papa.
Yeah, but YouTube.
Mark got us messed up.
Because tons of people got money and famous because of that.
Well, yeah.
Don't you want to be famous?
Not really.
Yeah.
I want the money though. You keep the fame. The money run into my pockets.
Then become a YouTuber.
I don't think I hear my son.
But you have to be good, but have crazy good content.
Hi, Eric.
Mom.
We over here. Oh shit! I'm dropping shit. We over here eating on these shrimp and shit. Shrimp bomb. I'm dropping stuff.
He didn't even use this. His pants was just wet. This is a fresh.
We spilled that water. I'm about to get that car water, sir. What's that?
What? Any more corn?
You don't eat my corn, that's my corn. Excuse me.
Yes.
That was for me. Put it back. I'm gonna punch
Oh, why can't I have it?
you. No.
Yep, you sure. Just feel like.
Albert, go lay down.
Albert.
Albert, be careful, baby.
Albert, come on, come lay down now. I'm about to go lay down.
You don't want to eat your stuff?
No, I'm tired as fuck. Albert.
Okay.
Listen.
Bomb.com. What y'all talking about? Hey, Eric. Yes, it is good, Eric. Yummy. I'm fine. Boy, get off the doggone thing. Little nosy bun. I just ate some oysters.
Mom, one of them said bring them on camera. One of them said bring them on camera. Mom,
He want me to break his stuff, too.
I do it right here, so.
I'm getting my arm. Look, Papa, you getting it everywhere.
I know, I'm trying not to.
Easy. I'm about to get on this road and go back home.
It's morning.
It's nighttime. I mean, it's evening time.
Yeah.
I'll be there in 5 hours.
Bruh, you spent 5 hours outside. Mom, I have a little quiz for you.
What?
I have a quiz for you. When was the sun? When does the sun at night come up? And when did the moon come out? T.
What?
When does the moon come out?
Yeah, at night. They come on the daytime too sometime here.
I mean the time.
I don't know.
And what time does the sun come out?
But I don't know.
Bruh. That is the exact same time you've been outside.
Look, eat the food.
Right.
Little boy.
Just so you know, the episode was 5 hours.
And that's what it is.
Yeah. I did not know.
Well,
What they say?
no, thank you, Eric.
What they say?
He said we have a beautiful family, little boy.
I love shrimp. Yum, yum, yum.
He loves shrimp. Yeah, I'm full.
I ain't.
What is I ain't?
It means
I
am
not?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll say that. I was wondering when I put these peppers in here.
They made it more fancier by that.
They made it fancy like that?
Yeah.
That's fancy, baby. You like fancy food?
No, I ain't got food.
You didn't like shrimp?
Yeah.
Mm.
And the only reason why I wanted this stuff because it was just shrimp.
No. Well, Arizona gave me some liquor to go. They gave me some oysters to go. So I'm kind of happy about that. But the rest of the shit they done gave me, I'm not for it, okay? Some straight bullshit. I don't see how people live out here. I don't. But you know, I guess Corona. It is what it is. My little oysters was good. That's all I cared about. I'm gonna get my ass on this road and go home. I got shit to do. I got packages at my neighbor house. I know this nigga, I'm looking at my shit, my emails and shit. That shit keep delivery. I know he like, if this bitch don't come get this shit out my motherfucking living room. I told his ass I'll be there on Friday. It's Tuesday. Shit's sad. He'll be alright though. He cool. But I wouldn't want somebody a whole bunch of boxes in my shit either. And it ain't little boxes either, because one of my things is like a cabinet or something I'm putting in my hallway. Yeah, and anybody in Cali, if you know how to put together shit, you real technical with your hands, let a bitch know. Because I'm not putting it together, even if I was. That's what you got other people for, who like to do shit like that, because I don't. Come on, Papa, get ready, because we're about to get up out of here.
You go home?
Yes, sir.
Let's go and have V-Bucks.
Buy your V-Bucks. He's on some damn V-Bucks. That's all he care about.
No, I was
Then he had me
you.
spend some money on Pokemon yesterday. Hi, Jay, baby. How you doing, Jay? I'm about to be on my way home. I was eating some oysters, Jay. You missed them. They gone now. They all in my belly. How was your day today? I look a hot mess, too. What'd you say, Eric? Like this? Like what? Yeah. So I know I look a mess. Lala said she was gonna do my hair. Lala, look how my hair out here looking.
Come on, you can do it.
She lying, y'all. She lying.
Come on.
Thought you was just so sleepy.
Alright, well, if you remind me I need to do something, I can get it done. Don't play with me.
I don't like looking like this. No, I'm just playing. You good, Jay? That's good. That's good. I'm about to head out there. Is you gonna help me put my stuff together? I got a cabinet that came. I got my desk, 2 desks, my craft desk, and my work desk. Hi, Tyron. Hope I pronounced your name correctly. Are you finished or what? No, but you talking to the dog though. Go wash your hands. Oh yeah. He wanna touch the dog and shit, then eat. Thank you, Eric. I'm gorgeous. I'm alright looking. I'm alright, honey. This called natural beauty. I guess that's what you call it. Oh, you gonna burp too? Muggy see, Muggy do. Who these little kids think they is? I don't know, y'all. I'm about to get up off here, so I'm gonna wash my hands and stuff. And get ready to get on this road. Boy, all I do is fair exchange, no rivalry, Jay. So I don't know what you talking about. Hey, Lala. Give me hugs and kisses. What you talking about, little baby? What you talking about? You trying to get the corn off of there? I'm about to play with this little baby. He's so gorgeous. Boy, just go and wash your hands because you got hair on them. I see it. Go wash them doggone hands before I beat you. Girl, blow them up, blow them up. Not you fine as fuck. What's your number? Girl, 911. What you laughing at? Here you go, this fishy on me song. Well, I'm about to get up off here though, y'all. So I can wash my hands and shit. Talk to you another day, another way. And Jay, get beat up. I'm not even your friend right now, Jay. As a matter of fact, let me get on your horn off this. Bye. I love you too, boo-boo. Kisses.